Good morning, everyone. I'm giving a small presentation on XML DOM. DOM means Document Object Model. Here, the XML DOM defines a standard way for accessing and manipulating the XML documents. Okay, XML means to store the data in database itself. Here, DOM means Document Object Model. For example, if you gave any string, that can be converted into an object that's stored in the database XML, uh, XML in the XML itself. The way for accessing the object and manipulating the XML documents. And the second one is that DOM builds a tree data structure of parsed XML document. When the object is created, okay, that can be formed in the tree type from root node to leaf node. The type of data structures of parsed XML document. Document object model is a set of platform independent and language neutral application program interface, which describes how to access and manipulate the information stored in XML or in HTML documents. Taking the data from the XML, see when we are storing the string in the type of object, the string is converted into information and stored in a type of object in the XML itself. DOM has three levels of improvements. The first level is functionality for XML document navigation and manipulation. Functionality for XML document navigation and manipulation. And level 2 provides the style sheet and add with the namespace. Taking the style sheet means decorating the output page and adding the with namespaces. And level 3 describes the document loading and saves the DTD document type definitions and schemas. In other words, the XML DOM is a standard for how to get, change, add, delete XML elements. Here, the XML document is a input type. We wrote a one program and we can save it as .xml document, and input DOM acts as a XML parser. Means it creates a tree structure. It creates a tree structure. Means here the root element. For example, you can say take root element is bookstore. Okay. Here element is book. Okay. Here element is book. And what is the attribute means category. Okay. Which type of books? Okay. For example, category means either computer science or electronics and communications or EEE, electronics EEE or mechanical or civil. It will be categorized which department is, which department book you have. Okay. Then the element will search. Okay. By the title itself, we can search by the title, or we can search by the author, or we can search by the year or price. Using these four elements, we can search the book and attribute, and we can say that language also, either in Telugu or English or Hindi. If it is the title and text the title everyday Italy, or search by author, guide ID Laurentiis, or search by year, or search by price. Here XML DOM nodes. In DOM, everything in a XML document is a node. Here, every one is title is one node, author is one node, year is one node, price is one node, like that. Entire document is a document node. Every XML element is an element node. The text in the XML elements are text nodes. Every attribute is a attribute node. Comments are comment nodes. Here, XML DOM node tree. The XML DOM views an XML document as a tree structure. See, we are writing the program in the XML only, but in the form of tree structure. Tree structure. The program is in tree structure. The tree structure is called a node tree. The tree structure is called as node tree. All the nodes in the tree have a relationship to each other. All the nodes in the tree have a relationship to each other. For example, books catalog. Here we are having different departments. For example, take the college, library, bookstore, CSE department, IT department, EEE department, mechanical department, civil department. These are all linked to the library bookstore. Their contents can be modified or deleted, and new elements can be created by using SQL queries. The node tree shows the set of nodes and the connections between them. The tree starts at the root node and branches out the text nodes at the lowest level of the tree. Every node except the root node has only one parent. Every parent may have any number of child elements. The nodes on the same level are called siblings. See, for example, parents are there. Parents having 3 children. And siblings. Siblings means either either brothers' sons or brothers' child or sister's child. We can say that siblings. Next, in the XML DOM node tree, see we are taking the bookstore and element is book, either parent or child, and categories, which category means either which department. For example, take the college bookstore. Okay, in the branches, computer science, IT, EEE, mechanical. Okay, here and coming to the title. Title have the language. Either we can search in the Telugu, English, or Hindi. And author name, and year, and price. Here see title and author are siblings. Okay. Here author is writing the book and he is giving the title. Okay. We can say that siblings. We can say that brothers. That is why we can say that siblings. Here everyday detailing and text is guided the Dora trends. Text is 2005 and price is 30 rupees. And properties and methods. Property is node name, finding the name of the node value, obtaining the value of node, parent node, getting the parent element, child nodes, obtaining the child nodes, attributes, getting the attribute values, method, get elements by tag name, used to access all the elements that are specified with a tag name, append child, okay, used for inserting a child node, means adding the child node, remove child, used for removing the child node. We are using the delete command. And we can see the example here. This is the basic syntax, question mark XML version 1.0 encoding UTF, UTF-8. Here 8 is the 8-bit code, Unicode transformation. Here we are using 8-bit code. Okay. Here the bookstore. The bookstore is the parent. The bookstore is the parent. The root node is XML above the bookstore is the root element. Here, see the arrow one child. Book category is equal to quotations cooking. This is one child. Book category is equal to children. This is another child. Here sees that book node holds 4 nodes. Okay. See, holds 4 nodes. The child has 4 nodes. What is the title, author, year, and price, which contains text in each node. Everyday, Italian, John, 2005, and 30 rupees. Here, this is one child. This is the root node, means parent node, and this is the child. Book category is equal to cooking. We are using 4 nodes: title, author, price, year. Here, we are writing the less than title language is equal to quotations en English, everyday, Italian English, Italian slash title closed, and author is John name, close the ending tag slash author, year 2005 slash year, and price 30 rupees slash price, and close the slash book, and child 1 is completed. Now I am coming to the child 2. Book category is equal to quotation children. Title is equal to language, quotations en, Harry Potter title. Title is Harry Potter. And author is J.K. Rowling author. And year is 2005 slash year. And price is 29 rupees, 29.99 rupees slash price. And close the book. These two are the children, and close the bookstore. And we run the program, we can get the output. This is about the